part issuing of components in Sage 200 Manufacturing versus Sicon Works Order Processing. So within Works Orders, Works Order List, highlight our Works Order and select Issue Stock. We're going to untick issue as much as possible, select how many we want to issue, select the batch we want to issue or the serial number, select OK, and select OK. So if we refresh, we can see it's now moved to part issued. The equivalent in Sicon Works Order Processing, so if we go to the Works Order list, and let's go and double click into our Works Order or select Amend Works Order, highlight our line, and we want to issue. If we've got Allow Part Issue on, this box appears and we say we want to issue a quantity of 1, see the batch number or the serial number, issue allocations, select OK, and now the Works Order moves to Part Issued and we can see a quantity of 1 issued.